Hi guys, this is a video about a Chevy Suburban 2012, but I think it can work on any car. The symptom was my AC wasn't working until after 5 minutes I start my car, and as soon as I start my car or used to start my car, the fan kicks in, but no AC. And this light right here, that's a air condition light, and if you click it, or if I used to click it, it used to blink, but not engaging clutch. So, and this is a pressure switch right here, and it's a 3-pin in my case. And this is the exact part. I mean, there's no difference between the original part by the Chevy or AC Delco and this one. So it's an exact fit, but it does not come with the O-ring. So I used the same O-ring. I didn't take out the O-ring, but this is the part number. And when I used to start let me start the car. So here it is. This light used to just blink and turn off eventually, and AC didn't work. So finally, I replaced this part with this part number. I got it from AutoZone. I couldn't find it on in Advanced Auto, so I went to AutoZone, and I want to show you where exactly this part is located. Let me open the hood, and now AC is working, as you guys can see. Let me show you, because there are all kind of videos on the internet about 2006 to 2000. I think 2000 to 2006 Chevy Suburban, but not this car. As you can hear that the fan kicks in, so everything is working fine now. Or when I used to drive, when this part was bad, I used to drive for 10-15 minutes, and it comes back in and then goes off again and then comes back in. So it was turning on and off randomly. It wasn't working properly. But in 2000 to 2006 Chevy Suburban or Silverado or any other trucks, GMC truck, there was a pretty simple place where you guys can find. Let me turn off the engine and I can show you where exactly I find this part. It is right here. If you guys can see, let me zoom in. Right here. This is the part right there. And in other cases, in 2000 and 2000 to 2006, it used to have right here, somewhere, over there, somewhere over here. But in 2007 to 2014, it's located right there, right under, where you fill up the oil. It's right under there, and you use a 14 millimeter wrench to open it. It's very simple. You just unplug the cable, and it works perfect. And I paid 31 some dollar, $32 from AutoZone. All right, bye. Thanks for watching.